Friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to compare the antutu benchmark test results between the Mi11 versus the Realme X2 Pro versus Mi10i device. As you can see, friends, this is the Mi10i device, and in this video, I'll try to compare just the antutu benchmark scores between all these three different smartphones and different price range segments and different categories, and with a different process. So that I just thought of comparing this kind of different segments, mobile phones, so together, so we'll get to know how much is the difference between the Mi10i less priceful mobile phone when compared with all these three phones, and when it's compared to the Realme X2 Pro, how much the difference will be there. And Mi11 is the most expensive smartphone here, and when it comes to the Realme X2 Pro, how much difference the Mi11 can be there. So this can be the best case scenario where you'll get to know all the details about the and benchmark test results. And just in case if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also do check the links in description for the live wallpapers what I'm using in this video. So let me quickly open the benchmark application. As you can see, friends, the antutu benchmark test has been already completed in all the three smartphones. So just to save the time, I thought of showing you all the scores directly, so you'll get to know which score as the best score and how much difference will be there between all the three smartphones as well. So first, let's compare from the Mi10i to the Realme X2 Pro. So then we'll try to compare with the Mi11. So you can see here, friends, right now the difference is of, I think, close to 1,50,000 difference is there overall from the Mi10i to the Realme X2 Pro, which has a Snapdragon 855 plus, and in the Mi10i Snapdragon 750G. So 750G versus the Snapdragon 857 plus. You can see difference of 1,50,000. But the Mi11 has got a Snapdragon 888, so which is a top high-end processor right now. It's available. So as you can see, friends, which has scored about 7 lakhs. So overall, there's a difference of 2 lakhs difference from the Realme to the Mi11, and from Mi10i to this phone, there is, I think, the score is a kind of 3 lakhs difference. So 2,50,000 to 3 lakhs difference is there from the Mi10i to the Mi11 device. As you can see, friends, in terms of the performance and comparison, you can clearly see. And the GPU score of this Mi11 is actually the score close to the Mi10i device, if you clearly observe the score here. So this is just an antutu benchmark comparison between all the three smartphones. So in the next videos, I'll try to do the display comparison. So this is another test which I'll be doing every day as well, one display comparison and one antutu benchmark comparison. So today I selected these three smartphones, and tomorrow I'll try to come up with a new videos and new comparisons with other smartphones. So just in case if you want to know more details, make sure to check the links in description for the playlist of all the phones which I have created each and every video. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.